I'm living, I'm able, I'm breathing, I'm grateful.
Is what? It's looking like it's been a...
Yeah. Hi. Awake already? I don't know enough food.
Yeah.
Mama, what you put on this?
Which one? No. All the baby washing clothes in Turama. Because one thing about it, mom is gonna be so happy when she gets clothes. And I also be happy too because if you know, most Jamaicans, and I said Jamaicans are easy. We get like majority of the stuff them are like second hand wear clothes from our cousin and so forth. So see baby girl have their own clothes coming in from overseas, or we just buy them in general. It's just so, it feels so good. It feels so good. And so grandma is here washing them, and then I'm trying to remember all the ones that she actually wore and where she wore them to as well. But I'm happy for this little life and this chapter. I'm here. Hey lovelies, welcome back to yet another nesting video. I hope you all are doing good. Hope you are doing great. So welcome to yet another pregnancy diary. We're still in the nesting phase. Mama, shh, mommy talking. We're still in the nesting phase. Yes, baby. Yes, I still come. We're still in the nesting phase. Mommy did majority of the washing, so I wasn't able to like record or catch any of the sort. So today on the agenda is that we're gonna fold and sort through the clothes. The drawers are here, but we can't put them up as I said, we're having some home renovation currently, and with the home renovation it comes with leaking in the house. So we said, to be on the safe side, we're not gonna like set up anything as yet. I don't know which part of the vlog or which day we're recording, but we keep in track. But we are 33, sorry. We're 33 weeks as of Sunday, which would have been yesterday. Today is April 20th, by the way. And we're 33 weeks. Baby girl is up and about. If you remember the hospital vlog, I think I wear this one, but I can't purchase any of these because my bottom is like out and about, and I can't have that at the hospital. So yeah, and I did my pixie Saturday. Kind of look fresh still, but it's giving mamacita. So come along with us as we fold and start through baby girl clothes. So these are the clothes we have working. You want to dance? So these are what we're working with. So we have like two sections. We have for mama and for biscuits. So grandma is on duty, and then I'm gonna fill in. Is so much panty much can have? I can't wait to start with a little panty them. So we have from church clothes going on, and also onesie pieces. So we're gonna try lay them out and organize them. So I still pick you guys back up. So we start through the panties. and so forth. But these, they said these are T2, T3. Mind you, all the panties here are 2-3. 2T, 2-3, which is 2-year-old to 3-year-old toddler. But look at these one. These definitely look like they will fit Biscuit. But by the time Biscuit ready to wear panties, they're just not gonna cut it. It's not gonna cut it. But you see how small they are? And mommy over there and Biscuit blankets. So we have blankets, we have rags, we have shimmies right there, rags, and then we have some little socks as well over there. So we're just starting gracefully. Mommy did get some more shimmies for me, which I'm happy, and more blanket, so that's a plus. And these are all the little rags. But I'm sorry that hubby never get a chance to like set up the drawer, because these would have just gone in there immediately and throw some blankets over there to avoid, you know, any dust or stuff for it. But this is where I reach. So of course I'm watching my girl to keep her brains pumped and occupied.
Back to mama, no?
Yeah, but we have a young child, so rushing. We are off today.
These are munchkin stuff. These are also munchkin stuff. I'm making a list of stuff that we have for baby girl, because we need to stock up on some more stuff, because what we thought that we were getting is not what we actually get. So we need to get some purchasing. So I want to tally to see what we have, so that I don't overspend and buy anything unnecessary. So we kind of pair them up now. So start through munchkin, and then Biscuit, we start through Biscuit on. Got the nanny on job, because they want to have grandkids. They're gonna work. Is a garbage bag in mama room? Did you say one garbage bag in the liquor room?
And also bought some stuff at King's. What are you guys suggesting as I go to King's to buy, like, look for toys and stuff or whatever, like for like birthday gifts and stuff? So I went there just to see what they have, and I saw a few little bits and very reasonable. Like I got this Gabrielle play park.
So like baby girl.
And I think
this
like
is
$200
munchkin stuff, and then we're going to go through baby girl stuff, because we forgot we had a whole garbage bag of stuff that roll over from munchkin to Biscuit. Did you remember? Out of sight, out of mind. So we're crunching down. Yeah, some clothes really shouldn't even be in this batch, you know, because anyway, we move. So mommy starting out from, let me tell you where we're at. So from sleepwear, footwear, bloomers, sheeting, bedding, church clothes, onesie, dresses. Mommy starting out those. And then from me and Munchkin, we're doing the shirt, the rompers, the panties, the dresses, and then the pants / tights, and then church clothes for mama. So here we are now. So these are all a bit Munchkin tops, romper, jeans. These are panty, one bath suit. These are dresses, and these are church dresses. These are pants, bottom. They're more like tights-ish pants, and then these are some little shorts. One jeans, and then everything else is Clark. So these we're gonna put in our suitcase because we're waiting on the closet to come. What we have to might do is like press them out, which I think we're going to press them out before we put them up in the closet. So any given time, run and go. I need to take out some from these and make a travel bag. So I normally have a travel bag in Sky, but Sky's been gone for so long that travel bag long gone. Chances are I can't fit in the clothes that is in there. So I need to take out some from here and have at least 3 outfits. So when I press, I will just like fold like a one fold and put them up. So any emergency, we can reach home, we're stuck on the road, whichever one. We're able to have those. Now for Biscuit, these are both new clothes. Sorry, new clothes and clothes that pass over from Munchkin. So based on when I lay them out on the bed and everything, then I would really see what we need so far. So maybe the first maybe 6 months, I think, or maybe 12 months, I think she would have enough stuff. So guys, these are the stuff that one of Biscuit auntie take down the other day. So these are on like the bigger side of stuff, and then these are like the smaller side. But the problem is with Biscuit, she's under, I don't want to say my daughter is overweight, but she passed the average weight as it come to be, because I think the last time we checked she was like 5 pounds 2 ounces, and every week there's supposed to be a half pound going on, I think, or half ounce, I think, I don't know. So I don't know if she's gonna fit on the newborns, because these are like the newborns, she's a way smaller one. So we have a mixture of from newborn go up to 12 months as well. So these are how they're looking, and we have some shimmies. Where shimmies in them? Yeah, pass them there for me, please. And then we have some little shirts, some little dress. I want to find like a nice coming home. Well, she have her coming home outfit actually. I don't see that in the wash, but she have her coming home outfit. I don't remember, so we're okay with the coming home outfit. And then these are the shimmies now what I would take. Mommy bought some more, so I just need to like, these are the shimmies that we have. So I'm going to take all shimmies to the hospital, because what I'm trying to do is also to take away stuff that's going to be in the hospital bag, put that one side. So when I'm ready now, I can press and pack them properly and put them there. But these are what we have so far. Those are the new stuff over there, and these now are from Munchkin time that we need to start and go through to see, you know, what's gonna packed away, what's gonna put up for future use for the time being. But we know for sure we still need some more onesie and like shorts and stuff for pediatrician visit, and like when we're going out with her, she have those. And oh, these are some of the dresses as well. There are some like baby dresses here for her, and church clothes here, like a skirt, like a toppy, and also little dresses as well. So let's see. So mommy starting out like a pre-pack for the hospital bag, and then we're gonna put like 4 blankets, but I'm gonna do a whole separate video as what's gonna be in my hospital bag for both myself, hubby, and the baby. So don't mind this one. No, I'm not sure now we do. So these are the new stuff with onesie and dress, and then these are all the church clothes passing down from mama. So we have quite a few church batches, which I don't think she might need any church clothes yet. And as I said, she's on the oversized, so I'm not 100% sure. And then we have some onesie, some little short pieces. Munchkin is back. Yes, baby. Bath suit, and these are like short sets. Yes, baby. And then we have shorts, pieces, and monkey suits. Stop! No, you're being rude. No tantrum. Draw down your shorts. Pull down your shorts. Good girl. Thank you, baby. Pull it down. Fix it. You need to fix. Pull it down properly. No, down. 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 Not you go on the ground. And then these are like outing clothes, pediatrician visit there, and then we have like I think onesie set the daily use shirt top would never wear, and a lot of dribbler set there. So gonna wrap it up now. Deal when it actually like so new clothes, church clothes, onesie, dribbler, shorts, monkey suit, outing, socks, bassinet, new clothes.